What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with the Dividend Stock King, back with another video. And I was thinking while I was taking my walk today about growth versus income. And this seems to be something that no one really talks about on both sides of the coin. People think of growth as the stock price going up, right? That's the typical growth thing. You buy an ETF or a VOO or whatever, you buy stuff for $10 like a Tesla, and now it's worth $400 or $500, right? So now that's more of a growth. They don't pay dividends, they don't pay no dividends at all. It's straight growth, right? It's straight, you buy it, you hold it, and people typically own these funds into a brokerage, well, pretty much a retirement account, because you can't use the money anyway. But like a Roth IRA, and before I begin, I'm not giving any financial advice in this video, so please don't take it as financial advice. But people will take the word growth to be just the price going up, or the fund grows and the price is more. That's pretty much what growth is. Income is just income. It doesn't really grow at all. It's just income. And the thing about this thing is that income, well, here's the beauty of income. Income funds can be growth funds, but not in the way as you think. Now, you can also get growth in an income fund, like a Tesla or a high yield fund. How? The price doesn't go up. In fact, people love to throw the word NAV erosion around, or the price going down. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about growth is that if you reinvest the distribution, the dividend every week, if you do it every week, you will get more shares over time. So the best thing I can say is, like in a Roth IRA, I have 14 shares of TSLY, right? And I'll get a dividend every Friday from TSYY, right? Every dividend, right? Over time, as the dividend comes in and get more of TSYY, it will increase the amount of shares that I own, right? So that's also a way of growth as well. So if I have more shares, that's potentially growing by itself, because a growth fund doesn't really need you to keep buying the share, because you keep buying the up and the higher, you keep buying the higher price. With these funds, you can pretty much just buy or just get the dividend reinvestment and get more shares over time. And that also could be growth. See, growth can be income because it's on dividends, but income can be a form of growth. Now, the stock price may go down. Hell, they may do a reverse split over time, but your value stays the same, right? And if you have $100 value of TSYY and did a 10-for-1 split, right? So now you have one share for $10, but your value is the same. The dividend don't change. Your value is the same. So over time, when the dividend hits the account and you have drip on, you're getting more of TSYY and getting more shares. That's growing or increasing the amount of shares you own, which over increases the amount of money you make, right? So income can be growth, but growth really can't be income, because growth, like a Tesla, pays with dividends. The only way you get money off Tesla is to cover calls or be in the call option market, sell calls, do puts, or you hold it and sell it in the future. But with dividend ETFs, I get income over time. It's gonna grow before it by itself, and and then when time it comes, you own Tesla. Now, of course, you can do cover calls on Tesla and make a good income, which is smart. Or you have to sell Tesla for a lot of money, but now you sold all your Tesla, now you're done. Versus me, I can just hold TSLY and pay me a distribution every week, and I can use 50% of that, 60% of that. I could use it, and I've been reinvesting for 20 years. So income can be a form of growth, depends on how you use it and how you use it, how you do it overall. Okay, so I'm an income person, investor. My kids, I did all income first. Now I'm dabbling into like a Tesla, get more growth. I might do monthly stocks, ETFs. But my kids, I make sure my kids are set up to get dividend every single day. They have monthlies. They have QLDY, pay twice a week. And my Roth account, the same way. I get dividend every single day. I have monthlies. I have QLDY to pay twice a month, twice a week, and keep rolling into my Roth IRA. Keep rolling the dividend. Put everything on drip. Don't even touch it. Just add money to it. Keep on adding more money. So income can be a growth factor in your portfolio. My name is Tyler Dennis King. Thanks for watching.